In this video, I'm giving you 3 highly effective ways to remove and release resistance, fears and doubts about your goals, desires and dreams, especially when you are manifesting them and when you are applying the law of attraction. You know how powerful it is to remove resistance while manifesting. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. Hey, hello awesome tribe. This is Awesome Eze, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation. And I'm so happy and excited to see so many manifestations that you are sharing in the comment section, and all of you are really doing well. But then sometimes you manifest, sometimes you struggle to manifest, and some of you are having a tough time in manifesting. And many times you keep asking like, AJ, I'm doing all the tools, techniques and processes, but why am I not manifesting? Or sometimes some of you says like, AJ, it works for the smaller things, but why it is not working for the bigger dreams or bigger things? My friend, if you are having a tough time in manifesting, the number one reason is you are having resistance. Yes. And what is this resistance? Resistance is when you have some fears, doubts, negativities about these goals or desires or dreams that you want to manifest, or something that has happened before, like maybe you have failed in past in the similar situation, or somebody has given you something, somebody has said something that is stuck inside your subconscious mind, and then that is holding you back. So any kind of negativity, any kind of block that is holding you back is a resistance. So when you have resistance, it's really difficult to manifest your desire. So there are many different processes and tools I've shared before, how to remove resistance. But today I'm going to give you some really effective and simple and powerful technique or process or ways that you can implement on a daily basis on your day-to-day activity that will release all kind of resistance, not specifically focusing on any goals and dreams, but it will release all kind of resistance. Now, why we need to remove this resistance? Imagine you are going for a race, you are ready to run this race, whether it's a marathon or whether it's a 100-meter dash. You are ready to give your best. And when you are about to start the race, someone will come up and they put 2 sandbags on your shoulder, 2 big bags. Can you run as effectively as you can without these bags? The answer is no. You may still try to complete the race, you may try to go forward, but if it is really heavy, if the bags are really heavy, you cannot go forward, you cannot complete this race, you cannot move forward, and you get exhausted, you feel tired, all your energy will be gone. Same thing is happening in your manifestation process. Sometimes you so much want to manifest some goals, desires and dreams, but you cannot manifest it, and in the process, the more you try it, the more exhausted you become. And so many people, you keep struggling in this process, and then you keep wondering like why the law of attraction is not working for me, or you keep seeing the comment section in our videos and you see that other people are manifesting but you are not manifesting. Why it is not happening for you? This because of the resistance. So these 3 techniques or 3 ways you can implement on a daily basis that will help you release your resistance. And the number one technique or the number one process that you can use multiple times during the day is conscious breathing. Yes, breathing. Now, not just normal breathing, but you do a conscious breathing to release resistance during any time in the day. If you can do it preferably in the morning, it will give you a lot of energy, but you can do any time in the day. You can do right now while watching this video. You just sit for a while and you just inhale deeply, and as you exhale slowly, you can do it through your mouth or you can do it through your nose, but while exhaling you set this idea, you say yourself, you tell yourself inside your head that I am letting go of all my resistances, all my fears, all my doubts, everything that is there within me. I'm releasing, I'm letting go. So you can do it few times, like 10 times or 15 times, so that you really go into a peaceful state. So you can do it like this. And while releasing, you can say, I'm letting go and releasing all my resistances, all my fears, all my doubts. Or you can say it loud as well. I'm letting go of all my resistances, all my fears and doubts. So you can close your eyes and you can feel it. I'm letting go of all my fears and doubts and negativities. I'm letting go of all my fears, resistances, doubts and negativities. If you do it a couple of times, you should do it at least for 11 times. If you can do it for 21 times, it will be very powerful. When you do it, you will see a shift happening. And you can right now pause this video and you can do it and you can see how you are feeling and you can share your feeling in the comment section. Because you will feel a different energy. You will feel relaxed. If you are stressed out, if you are going through some fears, doubts or negativities, if you are feeling sad, do it right now. Pause this video, do it right now and then share in the comment section how you are feeling. So that is the one thing, and you can do it multiple times during the day because it is the easiest way. Now the second technique or the second way how you can release resistance while taking shower. Yes, I believe all of you must be taking shower on a daily basis. So while taking shower, when the water is flowing on your body and going out of the drain, when the water is flowing in your body, that's the time you set this intention and you say yourself the same thing that, oh, all my negativities, all my fears, all my doubts, all my resistances are just going away. I am becoming free. And you keep saying this for a while. And water is an energy. Water always has this power to cleanse our mind, body and soul. So that is why sometimes when you go near the beach or you sit near a stream or a lake, you feel energized. Because why? Because water has this power to take away all your negativity. So when you are especially taking shower on a daily basis, that is the best time to let go of all your resistance. So during that time, you just say this couple of times and it will create a very positive impact. So that is the second technique or second way. Now the third one, and this is something you have to do consciously. And if you can do it, it's really powerful. So who remove the garbage at your home? Like who is removing garbage on a daily basis? Maybe sometimes, maybe if you live with your parents, maybe they will be doing, or if you have a maid or someone help you at home, they will be doing, or maybe you will be doing by yourself. So I want you to do this thing for next at least 21 days. You take charge and you say that you are going to remove garbage from home. So every day while removing garbage from home, and when you take your garbage bin or dustbin and you are putting it outside, while emptying that bin, you set this intention that I am removing all my negativities, all my fears, all my resistances from my mind, heart and soul. Why it is so powerful? Because when you are empty that bin, or while you are removing that garbage, you are doing an activity of really cleaning. You are doing that activity of dumping something no more wanted at home. And when you are doing it just for the home, and when you are saying it, you are subconsciously programming yourself that yes, you are really removing all the fears, doubts and negativities from your subconscious mind. So this is a very powerful process, and these are the 3 steps, these are the 3 techniques. Very simple technique, but you can do it and implement it on your day-to-day basis work, and this has created tremendous impact in removing your resistance. And while you are doing these 3 activities, you are not focusing any particular dream or any particular fear or any particular resistance. So the best part is these 3 activities will remove all the resistances, all the fears, all the doubts, consciously, unconsciously, almost about all your dreams, desires and goals. So that you don't have to be worried about, okay, when you start focusing on a new dream, you don't have to worry about, okay, whether you have some resistance for these goals or not. So breathing, you can do multiple times during the day, and that is the easiest way. Inhale and exhale and let go of all your negativities. Second is while taking shower, of course that you can do once or twice in the day. While taking shower, let the water take away all your resistances, all your fears, doubts. And the third is letting go of all your resistances, fears, doubts and negativities while removing garbage from home. So do these three things on a regular basis and you will see a tremendous change happening. You will become so free, you will become so positive, you will see that all your resistances goes down drastically, and your energy will always stay high, your vibration will always stay high, and your manifestation process will start moving forward very fast. Then almost all the tools, techniques and processes that you are using will work very fast. So I request all of you to start implementing these three techniques and share your feelings in the comment section. And if you have done the breathing part right now, do let me know in the comment section what is your feeling, how you experience, what is the experience that you have right now. And if this video has inspired you or give you some insight that you were not aware about, then also do let me know in the comment section. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and press the bell icon. And if you feel this video can really inspire someone or help someone in your family or friend circle, then do share this video with them, because when we drop your resistance, our manifestation power will go really high and we can manifest at rocket speed. So thank you Awesome Tribe for all your love and support. And if you want to learn more tools, techniques and processes to manifest your desire, you can check our Awesome Academy. We have some amazing programs for you. Thank you.